This is ZTE Blade A75 5G, the cheapest 5G phone ng ZTE mismo. It was also teasered by Smart as the cheapest 5G phone on hand. This is only a short review and impressions, and i-compare natin sila dalawa ni ZTE Nubia Z50s Pro. Back design has a glitters and the feel of glass. Pero design language niya is parehas rin sa ZTE Nubia Z50s Pro. Meron rin red accent sa power button niya, but there is no rough feel like kay Nubia Z50s Pro. Material niya is using plastic frame and yung back panel niya is still unknown. It uses 720p IPS display with 120Hz refresh rate. First time tayo nakita ng 120Hz refresh rate under 5490. Meron tayong malaking chin sa ibaba compared sa bezel-less na Nubia Z50s Pro. The display is decently bright, parang Tecno Spark Pro 2024 lang. I believe it's 500 nits. This phone has Unisoc Tangula T760 5G. Just the toned down version of T820 ni Nubia Neo 2. The best thing dito, it has a 5G modem under 6K. This software is running the toned down version of MyOS 13 based on Android 13. It has some bloatwares, a little bloatwares like Facebook lang, but anyway, still stock Android pa. It has 50 megapixel rear camera at 8 megapixel selfie. Meron siyang features but a bit limited compared sa ZTE Nubia Z50s Pro. Heto yung mga kuha natin. Anyways, heto yung mga kuha natin side by side kay Nubia Z50s Pro. It feels washed out and overexposed tayo, and medyo kulang tayo sa contrast. Sadly, wala tayong Neo Vision like kay Nubia Z50s Pro, but meron Neo Vision sa Nubia Focus Pro, which yung spec sheets nila ni A75 5G at ni Nubia Focus Pro is halos same lang, except na mahal lang si Nubia Focus Pro. And dyan lang tayo nagtatapos. Salamat po!